Ruparal Stardom at Malad West, unveiling a luxurious 2 and 3 bed homes with prime location, luxurious amenities, and resistance in luxurious living. Watch this video till the end. Hello and welcome back guys to DXC New Homes channel. Today we are welcoming you to Ruparal Stardom, the newest luxurious residential project in Malad West by the Ruparal Group. So this is a sample flat of a 3 BHK flat. Here they provide a magnificent 40-story skyscraper redefining luxury living in Mumbai. So let's step inside and explore the amenities and interiors that make this project truly special. But before that, if you have not subscribed to our channel DXC New Homes, then subscribe to our channel for updates and information about the projects in Mumbai. So as we enter, the first thing you will be noticing is the open layout and the large windows which allow plenty of natural lights to fill the space. The living room is spacious and versatile, perfect for relaxation or entertaining the guests. The sliding doors led out to the balcony provides a serene outdoor space to enjoy your morning coffee or evening tea. From this living room or the living space, we will be moving towards the dining space and then towards the kitchen space of the house. So the dining space is near the kitchen. So serving will never be an issue as the kitchen is near the dining space. The kitchen is a modern and fully equipped featuring high quality appliances, granite countertops and ample storage. The dining area comfortably seats 6, making it an ideal choice for family dinners and gathering with friends. So here you will be getting 2 platforms which have granite platform, stainless sink, ample amount of storage space as storage space will never be an issue. From this kitchen space we are moving towards the bathroom space of the house. The bathroom space is nicely built up with spa-like features, great fittings and lovely environment, giving you a relaxation thing. From the bathroom space we are moving towards the bedroom space of the house. The master bedroom, which is generously sized and has ensuite bathroom, the large windows offers beautiful views and the big and plenty of closets provide ample amount of closet space for the storage. The ensuite bathroom is equipped with premium fittings and spacious shower. The spa-like features, the premium fittings, the vertified tiles, all included in this bathroom gives a great feeling. Now let's explore the details, the connectivity, the location, the facilities, the amenities of the project. So this project provides living of a premium experience with a range of amenities and excellent connectivity. The project is situated in Evershine Nagar, Malad West, and it is prime location and well connected to the key areas like the Link Road, which offers convenient access to the Western Express Highway and is just a 10 minutes drive. Nearby facilities like the DMart, School, Ryan International School, Pinnacle High School, Zenith Hospital, Sun Multi-Speciality Hospital, Infinity Mall, Inorbit Mall are around 2 to 6 minutes from the location. If we talk about the project highlights, then this is a 40-story tower built upon 3 acres of land and the expected possession date is around 2028 and the project offers 2 and 3 BHK apartments with 2 BHK from 650 to 800 square feet while a 3 BHK is 990 to 1200 square feet and the prices of these apartments starts from 1.99 CR. The residents are designed with balconies and deck, providing a serene living experience. So enjoy luxurious amenities with great features and location, and thank you for watching our video.